Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to view pages on Squarespace. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Squarespace, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Viewing and managing the pages on your Squarespace website is a straightforward process. All you have to do is go to your account once you are logged in, hover to the account dashboard, and select the website you want to edit from your Squarespace account. Okay, so in this case, that's going to be the website that I am currently working with. And in the left-hand menu, there's going to be the website. Under that, that's going to be the pages. All right. So I want you to click on the pages on your website. You can organize into main navigation, blog, not link, footer, depending on your template. And of course, for example, we're going to click on the contact option. Here, it displays the page that are included on your main site menu. For pages that appear in the submenus, all you have to do is click on the side, and these are going to be useful for landing pages. All right, so pages or links that appear in the footer of your website, and if you want to view the page to your visitors, all you have to do is click on the desktop view or the mobile view. All right, you see that? And of course, you can toggle between them to see how your pages appear on different devices. This lets you view, manage, and edit your Squarespace pages with ease. And of course, you can simply click on the edit. So if you wanted to add more information here, you are welcome to do so. You can edit section, you can duplicate, you can save section, you see? You can move down, you can remove any element that you wanted. And of course, after editing the page, for example, I'm going to remove this one right here. Maybe if I remove that, it's very important to ensure that changes such as any text updates, images, or layout adjustments appear correctly before they go live. So you need to save that. All right. And of course, you might want to toggle between the desktop view and the mobile view to check the responsiveness, because they are optimized for different screen sizes, especially for mobile devices. This is crucial as mobile traffic is a significant portion of the website visits. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.